Hello everyone, today I will show you the method of making hanging paper lantern of Sikkim. For this activity you need one square sheet, one long strip, one needle, red wool and scissor. First, fold the square paper in half corner to corner 2 times. Then side to side 2 times. Now fold it and make a small square. Now again half fold. Now draw and cut. See, my drawing is ready. Now I will cut some part. Then take the long strip and cut from the one side and make one pom-pom. Pom-pom is ready. Then with the help of needle and wool I will join these two parts. Now join this part also. And paste together this 4 part. My hanging paper lantern is ready. Thank you.